Become a subscriber. You will learn the German language easily. You will learn to speak German fluently. You will learn many words from A1 to C2. You will be able to take GET certificates. Subscribe today. Learn German for 10. Verbs haben and sein. The verbs haben and sein are two of the most fundamental words in the German language. Haben means to have, while sein means to be. Both verbs can be used as auxiliary verbs to form the perfect tense or past tense, but they also have independent meanings when used as main verbs. When used as a main verb, haben means to have in the sense of possessing something. For example, ich habe ein Auto means I have a car. Haben can also be used as an action verb, meaning it refers to the moment when something is happening. For example, ich habe eine Idee means I have an idea. On the other hand, sein is used as an action verb that indicates existence or state. For example, ich bin müde means I am tired. Sein can also be used in the sense of movement. For example, ich bin nach Hause gegangen, which means I went home. When used as auxiliary verbs to form the perfect tense, haben and sein change their forms depending on the person and number of the subject. Haben is used for most verbs, while sein is used for certain verbs that denote movement or change of state, such as gehen, to go, or bleiben, to stay. Verbs haben and sein. Example of using haben and sein as auxiliary verbs to form the perfect tense. Ich habe gestern ein Buch gelesen. I read a book yesterday. Wir haben letzte Woche Urlaub gemacht. We went on a vacation last week. Sie ist gestern Abend ins Kino gegangen. She went to the cinema last night. Du bist schon lange in Berlin gewesen. You have been in Berlin for a long time. In summary, the verbs haben and sein are very important in German language and are used in many ways. As main verbs, they have meanings of to have and to be, while as auxiliary verbs, they are used to form the perfect tense. It is important to learn their forms and uses in order to properly use the German language. Here are some examples of the verbs haben and sein in different verb tenses. Present tense: Ich habe ein Auto, I have a car. Du hast eine gute Idee, you have a good idea. Er, sie, es hat keine Zeit, he, she, it doesn't have time. Wir haben Hunger, we are hungry. Ihr habt Glück, you are lucky. Sie haben viel Geld, they have a lot of money. Ich bin müde, I'm tired. Du bist intelligent, you're intelligent. Er, sie, es ist young, he, she, it is young. Wir sind glücklich, we are happy. Ihr seid spät dran, you are running late. Sie sind in Urlaub, they are on a vacation. Past tense. Ich hatte gestern frei, I had the day off yesterday. Du hattest viel zu tun, you had a lot of to do. Er, sie, es hatte keine Ahnung, he, she, it had no idea. Wir hatten viel Spaß, we had a lot of fun. Ihr hattet eine lange Reise, you had a long journey. Sie hatten eine gute Zeit, they had a good time. Ich war gestern in der Stadt, I was in the city yesterday. Du warst immer pünktlich, you were always the time. Er, sie, es war sehr müde, he, she, it was very tired. Wir waren im Kino, we were at the cinema. Ihr wart zu Spaß, you were late. Sie waren in Paris, they were in Paris. Future tense. Ich werde morgen arbeiten. I will work tomorrow. Du wirst bald Geburtstag haben. You will have your birthday soon. Sie wird bald zurückkommen. It will come back soon. Wir werden bald umziehen. We will move soon. Ihr werdet viel zu tun haben. You will have a lot to do. Sie werden eine gute Zeit haben. They will have a good time. Ich werde nächstes Jahr in den Urlaub fahren. I will go on vacation next year. Du wirst viel lernen. You will learn a lot. Es wird bald anfangen. It will start soon. Wir werden viel reisen. We will travel a lot. Ihr werdet viel Spaß haben. You will have a lot of fun. Sie werden erfolgreich sein. They will be successful. As you can see from these examples, verbs haben and sein are essential parts of the German language, used in many different situations and verb tenses. It is important to understand and practice them well in order to successfully use the German language. Here are some examples for the verb sein, to be in different tenses. Sein. Present tense, ich bin müde, I'm tired. Du bist nett, you are nice. Es ist glücklich, it is happy. Wir sind zu Hause, we are at home. Ihr seid jung, you are young. Sie sind klug, they are smart. Rhetorik, simple past. Ich war gestern krank, I was sick yesterday. Du warst in Berlin, you were in Berlin. Es war müde, it was tired. Wir waren auf einer Party, we were at the party. Ihr wart im Kino, you were at the cinema. Sie waren glücklich, they were happy. Present Perfect. Ich bin schon in Spanien gewesen. I have been to Spain already. Du bist gestern spät nach Hause gekommen. You came home late yesterday. Es ist seit einer Woche hier. It has been here for a week. Wir sind schon lange zusammen. We have been together for a long time. Ihr seid viel gereist. You have traveled a lot. Sie sind schon in vielen Ländern gewesen. They have been to many countries. Past perfect plus perfect. Ich war schon gegangen, als du ankamst. I had already left when you arrived. Du warst schon eingeschlafen, als ich nach Hause kam. You had already fallen asleep when I came home. Es war schon wegen gegangen, bevor ich es traf. It has already left before I met him. It. Wir waren schon verheiratet, als wir uns kennengelernt haben. We had already been married when we met. Ihr wart schon im Urlaub gewesen, als ich euch traf. You have already been on vacation when I met you. Sie waren schon lange Freunde, bevor sie zusammenzogen. They had been friends for a long time before moving in together. Future 1. Ich werde morgen früh aufstehen. I will wake up early tomorrow. Du wirst bald eine neue Wohnung finden. You will soon find a new apartment. Es wird nächste Woche Geburtstag haben. It will have a birthday next week. Wir werden bald in den Urlaub fahren. We will soon go on vacation. Ihr werdet viel lernen. You will learn a lot. Sie werden erfolgreich sein. They will be successful. Future 2. Ich werde bis morgen Abend müde gewesen sein. I will have been tired by tomorrow evening. Du wirst bis nächste Woche eine Entscheidung getroffen haben. You will have made a decision by next week. Es wird bis zum Ende des Monats viel gearbeitet haben. It will have worked a lot by the end of the month. Wir werden bis zum nächsten Jahr viel erlebt haben. You will have experienced a lot by next year. Ihr werdet bis zum Ende des Jahres viel gelernt haben. You will have learned a lot of by the end of the year. For more videos about German language, subscribe on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe.